Hello my people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anytime you come across this video, may the peace of the Lord be with you all in Jesus' name. Amen. Today. Hallelujah. Hello my people. I say make I enter line again today. Make I see talk on one word, one or two things like that when they happen for our country, Nigeria. Because when people send me some videos, I really look many of them, I get to find out say we still need to continue to talk. Because this work not be only one person work. We still need to continue to talk till our politicians or our presidents or the people who are in charge of Nigerians will put their heads together to let peace reign for our beloved country. Before I go start, I want to watch one video. Want to see wetin dey happen even for this corona matter, because corona never even dey kill people now, but activities when they go on na keep people pass this corona matter when dey ground because of this stay at home, and no provision. Because of out of frustration, many people they take laws into their hands. So when I see this video today, I really feel bad. Imagine people burst into police station or the whole police run away. free the whole prisoners. So may not be like say maybe I don't know what I dey talk. So make I play am. May you use your own eye see and use your own ear hear am before I continue topic wey carry me come here begin to dey analyze.
Yes, my name is Kaluche. Once again, this is a memo of their life. The soldiers was on an anger position to kill us, but we defeat them. We defeat them. Today is 18th of April. 18th of April. This morning, a lot of things is happening in Ohafia. We must revenge. They killed our people. They killed our people in Ohafia. Here is Biafra land. They can't defeat us. Here in Ohafia, we don't tolerate any shit, please. We will defeat them. We'll make sure that we burn this station to ashes. Anybody that wants to kill us, we'll kill them. No retreat and no surrender. We always stand shoulder to shoulder. We are about to, as you can see here, we are about to release those in cell. Those of us that are locked inside cell, we are going to release them. They detain our people. They detain our people and we are releasing them right now. We have no intention for us to retreat. No intention for us to surrender. We are going to release our people. Okay, as you can see, the soldiers are here, but they don't have any power. Can I show you? Here is Ohafia. Here is Ohafia. We tolerate no shit. When you do us, we'll do you back. When you do us, we'll do you back. My name is Kaluche once again. I can assure you that a lot of things is happening. I will keep on updating you people until I left here. I came into Ohafia yesterday being 17th of April. This thing is happening today being 18th of April. And we will not tolerate it. I can assure you that. We will not tolerate it. This thing is getting out of hand. It's getting out of hand, I can assure you. We'll take no shit. We'll take no shit. We take no shit. As you can see, our boys are angry, our mothers are angry. Everybody is standing shoulder to shoulder to make sure that we achieve what we want. We are the whole people that they detained in their cell that is suffering. Both people that is trying to die. They detained a lot of injured people, but we are about to release all of them. They cannot do it. As you can see, these people are just coming out from cell. They 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 were detained. They were detained. They were detained. And you can see we have released all of them. We have released them. We have released them. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. We have released them. We have released them. As you can see, they are coming out from cell. They are coming out from cell. They are coming out from cell. We have released them. They have their liberty to go. They have their free liberty to go. You can go. You have been released. You have been released. You are free now. We don't have anything. They are coming out from cell. They are coming out from cell. We have released them. Look at the police station here. See what is happening. We have released everybody. Nobody is remaining here. Nobody, I can assure you. These soldiers cannot do us anything. They can't do us no harm. I can assure you. Burn this station. Burn it. Put fire. As you can see, women, mothers, and children, adults and child, they are supporting us. We will make sure that we stand shoulder to shoulder to show them that we will not tolerate any shit. I can assure you that. Thank you. Thank you. No police officer can do anything to us. I must assure them who eat and drink whatever thing they want. No retreat and no surrender. Nobody can stop us.
So my people, may not be like say I just carry the talk and I make me play this video for now. Make una see wetin dey happen for our Naija, our country. Because this coronavirus, the killing when people they kill people now, na strong pass this coronavirus matter. So I beg my brothers and sisters in Nigeria out there, I beg, may we use wisdom for this thing, because this will not be waiting person will use violence solve. Because since we dey talk to the politicians, we dey talk to the president, the governors, they no wan hear. So this time believe me, we use cool voice, me we use begging level, take beg, make peace reign for our country, because at the end of the day innocent ones will end up dying, because all these politicians when they cause all this matter, their families and their children, their wives, they not dey Naija, and the poor people just dey suffer this thing. So I beg my people, make we stop this killing, stop this violence. Let's come together as one. Because I know say everything when they happen today now out of frustration. Now they cause all these things because no food for house. Even the ones when get money, they not fit go out, go buy things because of police problem and all that. I beg, I want this opportunity to beg the government. If now, maybe on a feast, they try open markets at least twice in a week. Maybe on a fit put time to time so that people will fit still come out, buy food. Because they stay at home and no food is frustrating. Because I believe say out of frustrations, they make all these things when they happen. So they happen for Naija. I beg, the people in charge, wanna still get rethink, think of how una fit take bring peace. Come down, not be say our bubu will say if foreign land people call off their lockdown, inside will call off their lockdown. But if forget say foreign people and Naija will not get the same way when they organize things. All this outside abroad, they more organized past Nigeria. So you know if they copy what other people they do when you self not organize your own country. So I beg my country people, may we come together, make peace reign for this thing. If not to open market for them twice in a week, may they for fit go out, go they buy food. Because they say a hungry man is an angry man. Because out of no food, they cause all this wahala so. So I beg una my people, make we take them easy. May not be say at the end of the day now, problem go come when person not go fit solve. So now make me still show na that video when I show na just now. And another video still dey when I want make una watch, because all these things just come the day, it just dey me somehow. The thing they pay me for here say on my own way I no fit render help to anybody, but the only way when I know say I fit still do now they do so. Maybe from one person to another, if una share this video, maybe somebody fit still hear say maybe wetin this woman talk it still makes sense. They still need to, because everybody need to talk for this issue. All of us need to fight together. This will not be only one person matter. Everybody need to put her together, bring ideas come out to take bring end to this violence when they go on for Nigeria, to all this killing. Okay, just imagine because of this lockdown, fine lady waka goes for market, go steal, go thief beverages, provisions. Just imagine that. Because why money not the house, no food to eat. I want when I watch this video, you know say this video they heartbroken. See what quarantine cost for Nigeria. Don't go thief for supermarket, find lady like this.
What is she thief? Hey, don't walk inside that. Do us your people will become. Team down. What's your video? Where was she thief? Bless you.
So my people, now see that video. Imagine beautiful woman like that go supermarket, go thief. Okay, look wetin thief not reach, and it never reach 5,000 naira because of quarantine. Because many people dey when depend on daily living. When we say now every day when they go markets, now that everyday money they take they survive. Because this quarantine when it come, nobody say for ground say something like this will come. Nobody plan say something like this will come. The thing come unexpectedly. Wetin people not expect. Then the things begin to happen like this. People when depend on that everyday living now, how they will take survive when we say they not get any savings, they not get anything to take eat for house, and no provision for anybody. I beg, even people when get money not fit go out go buy things. People when not get money, they not fit go out, still go struggle, make them for still fit put something, put food for table. I beg, every governor wey dey your state abeg provide for your citizens. Make sure say your state people dey okay, because this lady of just now na agbo for happen, na agbo na delta woman na agbo for happen. Abeg every governors wey dey their state, make una make sure say na citizens dey okay. If una no fit provide for them, make una free dem do wetin dem wan fit do, make dem dey put food for their table. Because as the thing come be like this now, na hunger virus now come dey keep pass the coronavirus. Abeg make una try understand the pain when Nigeria people dey go through. Even the other video when somebody university sent for me that day about one of our brother too, when he get family, get wife and family, because according to the man, he say he go out, go make food, go buy I dey come abeg. Because according to the man, he not get food for house, he get wife and children. Police become carry taxi come outside. I believe say most of them go don't see the video. But at the end of the day now, they arrest that guy, they carry that guy go court. Just imagine, because sometimes when people when be say then they lead us, or people when they on top, the way sometimes when they go do something, when they think say this, but they even they think at all before they take decision. Person when not get money for house, when you know say they say me everybody lock down, stay indoor, but he still carry motor come out for house. I believe as a parent, no parents will want to see their children crying of hunger because there is no food to eat. It's frustrating. Seeing your children at home, your wife at home, as a man you cannot provide for them because of quarantine, and when you know you can actually do something and your children are there crying of food and you cannot do anything. I believe this man was in that tight situation that made him broke the law and decide to go outside, carry his taxi to say, okay, let me go and look for something to do or see if I can get any passenger. And at the end of it, they arrest that man. Court sentenced that man to 6 months imprisonment. Just imagine that. With 30,000 naira fine. Person will not get money when break law, carry taxi come outside. He get 30,000 now he come outside. He get 30,000 now the man come outside. At the end you charge him 30,000 and 6 months to stay for prison. And this same man get wife and children for house when make him fair break the law in the first place. Okay, as this man there for prison now, who go to take care of his wife and children for house? Who go to take care of that family? I beg the people in charge, more than rethink, release that man. If not for anything, at least for the sake of the children. I beg more than get rethink. At least now for still doing the way I do funke akudele. So okay, if not to taste to sweep the community for some weeks. As that one will be 14 days. Now if you give this man 2 months or maybe a month to say, okay, sweep the community. I beg, more than rethink of that decision, more than release that man back to his family. Now that I still say me I talk for now, this evening. And I still watch another video where women, they fight for Abeokuta for bag of garri because of garri. Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth, where are we going to? They fight for bag of garri. At the end of the day, garri not reach anybody here because they fight for the garri. They use the garri. In fact, they take and do powder rope. The whole ground full for bag of garri. Why? Because of drag, everybody wants to survive. Everybody wants to take before the other one come take. I beg, me will use wisdom for this thing. I know say nobody expect wetin happen. So better they say it don't happen, don't happen. We not get wetin we want to do to stay safe. But as now they try to say now they stay safe so. When I say a thing, say this one out to the government now say hungry want keep people. Hungry want keep people. I beg when I rethink this. Don't say because now say foreign land self do and now self wants to do the own thing. When I know say Nigeria not dey organized. Now beg we dey. In any which way, when we fit take beg una. Now make everybody they enter and they talk you till they come out. Now to say me I talk that one. And another thing when still carry me come here today because Nigeria matter I no understand. I first talk for my previous video say the way when Nigeria politicians say they bring law or say they bring they go say today corona 527 200 and something discharge. Mamma mia. Because this whole thing say come they tire me say how they tell they discharge the people. For the other video when I first do that day, I tell them say okay I beg since una don't get cure, make una help people. Like other countries like Italy, Spain, France, UK, US, wey still need this help. The magic wey dem know say they cure people, make dem render am to these countries wey need the help. Because when somebody send me video this evening, I look the video, the thing say make me laugh. Imagine people when they say get koro. Abeg my people, make una not laugh. I wan show una video when I see people when they say get koro when they quarantine. When I see wetin dey happen for inside quarantine place. Na see people when get coronavirus when they for quarantine. So my people, una see people when they for quarantine, when they say they suspect they be coronavirus positive, so okay, make they put them for isolation center before they will know how to the next step to take. Now the people be this. I believe say you take your own eye see am, because to me this people do not resemble in fact who get malaria, not to talk of who get corona. So I beg Nigeria politicians and government, wanna stop to the deceive us. Wanna stop to the una not they talk to children. Una not they talk to children. Wanna stop to the deceive us. What you know, because now just they find money for you and now just begin to they come out every day with different news. Today this one happen, tomorrow now discharge. If you get the magic like this, why not go let other countries they die and that same country now cities they dead there? If you not go help because of the country, wanna help because of Nigeria cities where they those country. Because like I told before for my other video, anything will affect I affect knows. So Nigeria people, I don't know how they do now magic. But I just said me and show this video to the world, and I believe say many people will don't still see them. People wanna say get corona when they for isolation center, and I be that where the place be like where they do party. I beg, wanna stop to the deceive us. That one don't finish. And another thing matter when carry me come here. When I say make I talk about breaking of the law of 18. Because like I said before, that Tezi man, when I say break law, come outside. When I arrest him, give him 30,000 naira fine, and sentence to 6 months imprisonment. But Bene, Funke Akindele do party, when I say because na social gathering, na carry her with her husband go court, 100,000 naira each for bail, and 14 days to sweep their community. Fine, we agree. Very good. This same law, it not go to our politicians, because now make the law say no social gathering. That is to say no parties, no burial, no marriage ceremony, no church service. Anything where people for don't gather, say no more for now because of this coronavirus. I beg, I want to ask. For this man when he died, say our chief of staff to our boo-boo, when he died, Abakari, Abiweti Bine say Abakari. The people when the burial one na do, not be social gathering be. People not gather. Abi burial not there against the social gathering one na talk. Burial not there against the law one na talk. As now they hold the other people before, where they against the law. I beg, I want you this media ask question. Who now want come hold now for Abakari burial ceremony for the gathering when people gather? Now the family, I be Nigeria people now go hold bubu responsible for this social gathering when happen. Because what is good for Peter supposed to good for Paul. According to the law of Nigeria, if not they obey the law of democracy, freedom of speech, and I say nobody is above the law. So who now want come hold arrest for those ones now? For the burial I want to do for our chief of staff to boo. Now the question I say me I ask you now. Because when I do something, when I remember, say people want to do things too. That the reason too. People want to do things too. That the reason. Now they deal with children. Now they deal with children. Una when they talk, una they break the law. then the ones wey dey down and go dey hold them responsible if they break the law and go begin dey punish them unnecessarily. This is not fair. It's not fair, because wetin happen to commoner suppose to still happen to the people when, because this matter of lockdown, corona matter, na both for the rich and the poor, no exemption. It's for all. So everyone supposed to still respect the law. If other people when get burial ceremony fit suspend their own burial ceremony, why na not fit suspend this chief of staff? Or because now fit say better pass other people, I be waiting happen. Then tomorrow now when somebody else now do burial, now go arrest them. Say social gathering dey there. If now they do things, one they know say now they make the law, and I see they break am. And that be the question when I say me I ask una for that one. I beg my Nigeria people, make una stop the fight. Make una stop the fight. Let's love come between everyone and resolve this thing. And I beg, I want to use this opportunity to thank Regina Daniel family and Rita Daniel family. The good work one now do for this time of lockdown, the whole world see am. Even the blind self see am. Even the deaf hear am. The good work one now do for people for our community. I say me I use this medium to thank una well. Rita Daniel, Regina Daniel, your husband, Ned Nwoko. God will bless all of us. And the pocket one for bring out that money, you know, go ever dry. In Jesus' name. Because una surprise people. Now, in fact, wetin governor no fit do for na state, now una do. Wetin governor no fit do for na state, now una do. Because nobody push you to do am. It come from your heart, say, yes, my people need this support at this particular time. Una gather together, bring out money from una pocket without no call for help. Make sure, say, food reach everybody hand. God will continue to bless una. And I want to use the opportunity to beg everybody, especially our Nigeria celebrities, when still get money, when still not say go fit help. I beg, try to help. Look wetin Regina Daniel do. Even if you not fit still do at least half of wetin dem do. Do as your own power reach, because everybody pocket not be the same. Do as your own power reach. Because this work of a thing not be for only government. Only government not go fit. Our Nigeria celebrity in whichever way, you know, so now if you still help one or two people. Like as Regina Daniels do, I beg, make una see try. Render help to everybody when they around una. One I know say una still. I know say not be everybody go fit still get this help. But whichever way, it is better to try than nothing. In which way, whether good, big or small, any which way, one of it render help to anybody when they around una. Make una do am. Now the message when I get for now, for this evening, now be that. I say make I ask Nigeria people question, especially the president say the burial now when they hold now for chief of staff about carry who they want come hold responsible now, who they want come arrest. Since they say no social gathering and anybody when break the law that they arrest them. Now who they want come arrest now for this matter. And to thank Regina Daniel's family, Ned Nwoko, Regina Daniel's husband, and Rita Daniels. God will bless all of you now. So now the message will carry me come here this evening. Now it be that. So please, as you see this video, may you like, share, and comment on this video. I beg, make una share and comment on the video and hit the like button. And as you do that, God bless you all and have a good night rest. Ciao everyone. One love.